Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Melting Math. In this video, we are going to discuss about 6th standard Maths Tamil Nadu new syllabus term 1 and it is a chapter 1. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about exercise 1.1 sums. Before that, if you didn't watch the introduction video of numbers and try these sums of exercise 1.1 videos means please watch that video. The link is in the description and also in the first comment. Okay, so that video helps you to get better knowledge about these numbers. Okay, so let's get involved in it. Fill in the blanks. Let's see the first one. The smallest 7-digit number is dash. Okay, so just observe the question. Here they asked smallest number and how many digits they are asked. That is a 7 digit. So just write first digit as 1, then remaining 6 digit is there. So just write 6 digits of 0 with it. Okay, so that's it. If a number has a 6 digit of 0 means that comes under 10 lakh. Okay, so the smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakh. Next, see the second one. The largest 8 digit number is dash. We know the largest number means that's 9. So here they asked 8 digit. So just write 8 digits of 9. Okay, so the largest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. Next, see the third one. We have to find place value of 5 in this given number. Okay, just see this number. Where is 5? Here it is. For finding the place value of 5, we have to write places of each digit first. Okay, so we know the last digit 0 is in the ones place, next is in the tens place, next is in the hundreds, next thousands. So here 5 is in the place of thousands. So just write 5 and multiply with 1000 here. 1000 means there should be 3 digits of 0. Okay, so 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. So the place value of 5 in this given number is 5000. Okay. Next is the fourth one. We have to expand this number. Okay, before expanding this number, just observe the commas of this number. Okay, if comma is placed after 3 digits from backwards, then every 2 digit means that comes under the Indian system. So on observation of this comma, we can find this number is comes under the Indian system. Okay, so then we have to write the places of each digit according to the Indian system. Okay, so we know the last digit 5 is in the ones place, next is in the tens place, next hundreds, next thousands, next 10,000s, next lakh, next 10 lakh. Okay, so now we wrote the places of each digit. By using these places of each digit, we can expand this number very easily. Okay, so just see the first digit, that is 7, that is in the place of 10 lakh. So just write 7 and multiply with 10 lakh. How can you write 10 lakh? 10 lakh means just write 10, then lakh means there should be 5 digits of 0. So just write 5 digits of 0 with it. Okay, then plus next digit is 6. So that is in the place of lakh. So just write 6 and multiply with 1 lakh. How can you write 1 lakh? Just write 1, then lakh means there should be 5 digits of 0. So just write 5 digits of 0 with it. Then plus next digit is 7, that is in the place of 10,000. So just write 7 and multiply with 10,000. How can you write 10,000? Just write 10, then 1000 means there should be 3 digits of 0. Okay, so then plus next digit is 0, that is in the place of 1000. Anything into 0 is 0. So just write as it is. Okay, then plus next digit is 9, that is in the place of 100. So just write 9 and multiply with 100. Then plus next digit is 0, that is in the place of tens. So anything into 0 is 0. So just write 0 as it is. Then plus next digit is 5, that is in the place of ones. So just write 5 and multiply with 1. That's it. This is the expanded form of this given number. Okay, so that's it. Next, say true or false. Okay, let's see the first one. Here they are saying if you are putting commas based on the Indian system to this number means you can get this number. That is the question. So let's clarify it whether the statement is right or wrong. Okay, first see this number. In question itself they are saying it is an Indian system. So write places of each digit according to the Indian system. Okay, we know the last digit 7 is in the ones place, next is in the tens place, next hundreds, next thousands, next 10,000, next lakh, next 10 lakh, next crore. Okay, now we wrote the places of each digit. Then we have to put comma based on the periods according to the Indian system. Okay, if you don't know about periods means please watch the introduction video that helps you to get clear knowledge about the periods. Okay, so just see here the ones, tens, hundreds are comes under the ones period, so put a comma after 3 digits from backward. Next this 1000, 10,000s are comes under the thousands period, so put a comma here. Next lakh, 10 lakh are comes under the lakhs period, so put a comma here. So 6 comes under the crore period. Yes, this and this are same. So if you are putting commas based on the Indian system to this number means you can get this number. Okay, so the statement is true. Okay, next see the second one. Successor of a one digit number is always a one digit number. Is it true or false? Definitely it false. I'll give you one example. Successor of 9 is 10. Okay, just observe here. The successor of 9 is 10. So the successor of one digit number is two digit number, but in question they are saying the successor of one digit number is always a one digit number, so the statement is false. Okay, so next is the third one. Predecessor of a three digit number is always a 3 or 4 digit number. Is it true or false? Definitely that is also false, because I will give one example. I consider as 100 as a 3 digit number. Okay, so the predecessor of this 100 is equal to 99. So just observe here, the predecessor of this 3 digit number is 2 digit number, but in question they are saying the predecessor of 3 digit number is always 3 or 4 digit number, so the statement is wrong. Okay, next is the fourth one. Here they are expanded this number. Okay, we have to find this expansion is right or wrong. Okay, so for finding that, just observe this expanded form. Here 1, 10, 100, 10,000s are there, so that are comes under the Indian system. So just write the places of each digit according to the Indian system to this number. Okay, we know the last digit 8 is in the ones place, next is in the tens, next hundreds, next thousand, next 10,000. Okay, so just see the first digit 8, that is in the place of 10,000. So just write 8 and multiply with 10,000. 10,000 means how can you write? First write 10, then 1000 means there should be 3 digits of 0. Okay, so this and this are same. Then plus next digit is 8, that is in the place of 1000. So just multiply with 1000 here. So here this and this are varies, so the statement is wrong. Yes, after 10,000, 1000 will come, but here they are writing 100, so the statement is wrong. So answer of fourth question is false. Okay, next complete the given order. So here they are giving few places according to the Indian system, so we have to fill that remaining places. Okay, if you are writing a places of each digit in a number means how can you write? The last digit is in the ones place, next is in the tens, next hundreds, next thousands, like that. Just write 1 in this last dash, next write 10, next 100, next 1000, next 10,000, next lakh. Here 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore are they already given. That's it. This is the completed form of the given order. Okay, so these are the places of Indian system in the correct order. Okay, next, how many 10,000s are there in the smallest 6 digit number? Here they are asking how many 10,000s are present in the smallest 6 digit number. Okay, for that first write smallest 6 digit number. Here they asked smallest number and how many digits they are asked, that is a 6 digit. Okay, so just write first digit as 1, then remaining 5 digits is there, so just write 5 digits of 0 with it. Okay, if a number has a 5 digits of 0 means that comes under lakh, so here 1 is there, so it is a 1 lakh. Okay, so then go to the question. Here we have to find how many 10,000s are present in this 1 lakh. For finding that, first write 1 lakh, then divide it by 10,000. Okay, if you are dividing 10,000 from this 1 lakh means you can easily able to get how many 10,000s are present in this 1 lakh. Okay, so just cancel the zeros first, cancel this 0 for this 0, next cancel this 0 for this 0, next cancel this 0 for this 0, next cancel this 0 for this 0. Okay, the remaining number is 10. So that's it. So 10,000s are present in the smallest 6 digit number. This is the answer. Okay, smallest 6 digit number is nothing but 1 lakh. This question is quite easy only. They will ask more question like this. If they asked how many 10 are present in 1 lakh means just write 1 lakh and divide it by 10. If they asked how many 100 are present in 10 lakh means just write 10 lakh and divide it by 100. So like that, this question is very easy only. Okay, just we have to understand the question, then based on the question we can easily able to answer the question. Okay, that's it. Next, using the digits 52073, form the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, so using this 5-digit, we have to form largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, first write the given digits, that is 52073. Okay, then we have to form the largest 5-digit number using this given digit. Okay, so just observe this given digit. Among this 5-digit, which is the largest digit? 7 is the largest digit. So first write 7, the next largest digit is 5, so then write 5, next largest is 3, and next largest is 2, next is 0. Okay, so that's it. This is the largest 5-digit number. So if you are writing a descending order of these 5 digits, means you can get this largest 5-digit number. Okay, next we have to write the smallest 5-digit number using this given 5 digits. Okay, so just observe this 5 digits. Among this 5 digit, which is the smallest digit? Definitely 0 is the smallest digit, but we should not put 0 in front of the number. Yes, there is no value for 0 if you are writing it in front of the number. Okay, so just hold 0, then see the another smallest digit, that is 2, then write this 0, then the next smallest one is 3, then next smallest one is 5, next smallest one is 7. Okay, so this is the smallest 5-digit number. If you are writing a ascending order of this given digits, means you can get smallest 5-digit number. Okay, next observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. Okay, these are the given questions. So we have to observe the commas first. By observing the commas, we can able to find out whether the number is in Indian system or is in the international system. Okay, on using the place value of that corresponding system, we can easily able to find out the place value of 7. Okay, let's see the first one. Just observe the comma here. If comma is placed after 3 digits from backward, then every 2 digit means that comes under the Indian system. So this first one is comes under the Indian system. So we have to write places of each digit according to the Indian system. Okay, first find where is 7. Here it is. Okay, so then write places of each digit. We know the last digit 5 is in the ones place, next tens, next hundreds, next thousands, next 10,000, next lakh, next 10 lakh. So here 7 is in the place of 10 lakh. So place value of 7 is equal to 7 into, so 7 is placed in 10 lakh, so just multiply with 10 lakh here. How can you write 10 lakh? First write 10, then lakh means there should be 5 digits of 0. So just write 5 digits of 0 with it. Okay, so 7 into 10 lakh is equal to 70 lakh. Okay, so the place value of 7 for the first question is 70 lakh. Okay, next see the second question. So just observe the commas. If comma is placed after every 3 digits, means that comes under the international system. Okay, so the second one is comes under the international system. So just write places of each digit according to the international system. Okay, before that we have to find where is 7. Here it is. So then write places of each digit first. We know the last digit 5 is in the ones place, next is in the tens, next hundreds, next thousand, next 10,000, next 100,000, next million. So here 7 is in the place of million. So place value of 7 is equal to 7 into 7 is in the place of million. So just write 1 million here. Okay, how can you write 1 million? First write 1, then million means there should be 6 digits of 0. Okay, so then write 6 digits of 0 with it. So 7 into 1 million is equal to 7 million. So the place value of 7 for the second question is 7 million. Okay, that's it. Next, write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. Okay, these are the given numbers. We have to put commas based on the international system to all these numbers. Okay, so let's see this answer. First make one tabular column. First write given numbers in first column, that is a question. Last write a number in international system, that is answer. Okay, in between this just write places of international system. Okay, in question itself they are saying we have to put commas according to the international system. Okay, so we have to write place according to the international system. Okay, we know the last is 1, next 10, next 100, next 1000, next 10,000, next 100,000, next million, next 10 million, next 100 million, next billion. Okay, That's it. So let's see the question. First one, just see this number. We know the last digit, that is 6, is in the ones place. Next 5 is in tens place. Next 0 is in hundreds place. Next 7 is in thousands place. Next 4 is in 10,000s place. Next 3 is in 100,000s place. Okay. So now we wrote the places of each digit. Based on the periods, we can easily able to put a comma. Okay. So if you don't know about the periods means, please watch the introduction video. Okay. So just see here. Here this ones, tens, hundreds are comes under the ones period. So put a comma here. Then thousands, 10,000, 100,000s are comes under the thousands period. Okay. So just write as it is. Okay. So that's it. Next is the second one. Just observe this number. We know the last digit 1 is in the ones place. Next 7 is in tens. Next 6 is in the hundreds place. Next 5 is in the thousands place. Next 4 is in the 10,000s place. Next 3 is in the 100,000s place. Next 7 is in the million place. Okay. So now we wrote the places. Then we have to put a comma according to the periods. Okay. So we know the ones, tens, hundreds are comes under the ones period. So put a comma here. Then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s are comes under thousands period. So put a comma here. Then 7 is in the million period. So just write 7. That's it. Okay. Next is the third one. So just observe this third number. And we know the last digit 5 is in the ones place. Next 0 is in tens. Next 1 is in the hundreds place. Next 7 is in thousands place. Next 6 is in 10,000s place. Next 5 is in 100,000s place. Next 4 is in million place. Next 3 is in 10 million place. Next 6 is in 100 million place. Okay. So now we wrote the places of each digit. Then we have to put a comma according to the periods. Okay. So we know the ones, tens, hundreds are comes under ones period. So just to put a comma here. Then thousands, 10,000, 100,000s are comes under thousands period. So put a comma here. Then million, 10 million, 100 million are comes under million periods. So just write that one. That's it. Okay. Next is the fourth question. Just observe this number and we know the last digit 0 is in ones place. Next 9 is in the tens place. Next 8 is in the hundreds place. Next 7 is in the thousands place. Next 6 is in the 10,000s place. Next 5 is in the 100,000s place. Next 4 is in the million place. Next 3 is in the 10 million place. Next 2 is in the 100 million place. Next 1 is in the billion place. Okay. So we wrote the place of each digit. Then we have to put comma according to the periods. Okay. So we know this ones, tens, hundreds are comes under the ones period. So just put a comma here. Then thousands, 10,000, 100,000s are comes under thousands period. So just put comma here. Then million, 10 million, 100 million are comes under the million periods. So just put comma here. In billion period 1 is there. So just write 1. That's it. Okay. So this is how you have to put commas based on the international system. Okay. Without making this tabular column, we can easily able to put commas according to the international system. But if they asked this question in 5 mark means you have to put this tabular column and all, then only you can get the full mark. Okay. So that's it. Next, write the largest 6-digit number and put commas in the Indian and the international systems. Okay. So first we have to write the largest 6-digit number. Then we have to put commas based on the Indian system and also the international system. Okay. That is the question. Okay. So first write largest 6-digit number. Largest number means that is 9. So here they asked 6 digit. So just write 6 digits of 9. Okay. So this is the largest 6-digit number. Okay. Then we have to put a commas based on Indian system and also the international system. Okay. So first see about the Indian system. So just write places of each digit according to the Indian system to this number. Okay. So we know the last digit 9 is in the ones place. Next digit 9 is in tens. Next digit 9 is in hundreds place. Next digit 9 in thousands place. Next digit 9 in 10,000s place. Next digit 9 in lakhs place. Okay. So now we wrote the places of each digit according to the Indian system. Then we have to put commas according to the periods of Indian system. Okay. So we know ones, tens, hundreds are comes under ones period. So just put comma here. Then thousands, 10,000s are comes under the thousands period. So just put comma here. Then lakh is in the lakhs period. So just write 9 as it is. Okay, that's it. This is the comma placement of Indian system for the largest 6-digit number. Okay. Next, see about the international system. Okay, so for this we have to write places of each digit according to the international system. Okay, so we know the last digit 9 is in the ones place, next digit 9 is in the tens place, next digit 9 is in the hundreds place, next digit 9 is in the thousands place, next digit 9 is in the 10,000s place, next digit 9 is in the 100,000s place. Okay, so now we wrote the places of each digit. Then based on the periods of international system, we can easily able to put a comma. Okay, so we know ones, tens, hundreds are comes under ones period, so just put a comma here. Then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s are comes under the thousands periods. Okay, so that's it. So this is the international system comma placement for the largest 6-digit number. Okay, that's it. Next, write the number names of the following numerals in the Indian system. Okay, these are the given questions. So here they are given the number, we have to convert this number into words. Okay, that only they are saying in questions. Number names means that is we have to convert it in words. Okay, numerals means that is number. Okay, so let's see the first one. In question itself they are saying this is comes under the Indian system, so just write the places of each digit according to the Indian system. Okay, so we know the last digit 5 is in the ones place, next digit 0 is in the tens, next digit 1 is in the hundreds place, next digit 2 is in the thousands place, next digit 3 is in the 10,000s place, next digit 5 is in the lakhs place, next digit 7 is in the 10 lakh place. Okay, now we wrote the places of each digit according to the Indian system. Then we can easily able to write this number into words according to the periods of the Indian system. Okay, we know this 10 lakh or comes under the lakhs period, so here 75 is there, so just write 75 lakh. Okay, then 10,000s, thousands are comes under the thousands period, so here 32 is there, so just write 32,000. Then 100, 10, 1 are comes under the ones period, so here 105 is there, so just write 105. Okay, so that's it. This is the number name of the given numeral. Okay, so numeral is nothing but the number name is nothing but the number in words. Okay, so that's it. Next, see the second one. Here also we have to write places of each digit according to the Indian system. Okay, we know the last digit 3 is in the ones place, next digit 5 is in the tens place, next digit 4 is in the hundreds place, next digit 3 is in the thousands place, next digit 6 is in the 10,000s place, next digit 5 is in the lakhs place, next digit 7 is in the 10 lakh place, next digit 9 is in the crore place. Okay, now we wrote places of each digit according to the Indian system. Then we can easily able to write this number in words according to the periods of the Indian system. Okay, we know this crore is comes under the crores period, so 9 is there, so just write 9 crore. Then 10 lakh are comes under the lakhs period, so here 75 is there, so just write 75 lakh. Okay, then 10,000, thousands are comes under the thousands period, so here 63 is there, so just write 63,000. Okay, then 100, 10, 1 are comes under the ones period, so here 453 is there, so just write 453. Okay, so that's it. This is the number name of the given numeral. Okay, so that's it. Next, write the number name in words using the international system. Okay, so these are the given numbers. It's like a previous question only. In previous question we wrote a number names in Indian system, but here we are going to write a number names in international system for the given number. Okay, so let's see the first one. In question itself they are saying this is the international system. Okay, so then write the places of each digit according to the international system. Okay, we know the last digit 8 is in the ones place, next digit 7 is in the tens place, next digit 6 is in the hundreds place, next digit 5 is in the thousands place, next digit 4 is in the 10,000s place, next digit 3 is in the 100,000s place. Okay, now we wrote the places of each digit. Then we can easily able to write this number into words by using the periods of the international system. Okay, so here this 100,000, 10,000, thousands are comes under the thousands period, so here 345 is there, so just write 345,000. Okay, Then 110 ones are comes under the ones period. So here 678 is there. So just write 678. Okay. So that's it. This is how we have to convert number into words. Okay. Next see the second one. Here also just write places of each digit according to the international system. Okay. So we know the last digit 0 is in the ones place. Next 1 is in the tens. Next digit 7 is in the hundreds place. Next digit 3 is in the thousands place. Next digit 4 is in the 10,000s place. Next digit 3 is in the 100,000s place. Next digit 8 is in the million place. Okay. So now we wrote the places of each digit. Then we can easily able to write this number into words according to the periods of the international system. Okay. Here under the million period 8 is there. So just write 8 million. Then 100,000, 10,000, thousands are comes under the thousands period. So here 343 is there. So just write 343,000. Okay. Then 110 1 are comes under the ones period. So here 710 is there. So just write 710. That's it. This is how we have to convert number into words based on the periods. Okay. Next see the third one. Here also just write the places of each digit according to the international system. Okay. So we know the last digit 9 is in the ones place. Next digit 8 is in the tens place. Next digit 7 is in the hundreds place. Next digit 6 is in the thousands place. Next digit 5 is in the 10,000s place. Next digit 4 is in the 100,000s place. Next digit 3 is in the million place. Next digit 0 is in the 10 million place. Next digit 1 is in the 100 million place. Okay. So that's it. We wrote the places of each digit. Then we can easily able to write this number into words according to the periods of the international system. Okay. So we know this 100 million, 10 million, million or comes under the million periods. So here 103 is there. So just write 103 million. Then 100,000, 10,000, thousands are comes under the thousands period. So here 456 is there. So just write 456,000. Okay. Then 110 1 are comes under the ones period. So here 789 is there. So just write 789. Okay. So that's it. This is how we have to convert number into words. Okay. So that's it. Next, write the number in numerals. Okay. So here they will give some number in words. We have to convert that words into number. Okay. That is a question for us. Okay. So let's see the first one. 2 crore 30 lakh 51,980. Okay. This is the question. We have to convert these words into number. Okay. So just see here. 2 crore. Okay. In crore period 2 is there. So just write 2 and put comma. Then 30 lakh. In lakh period 30 is there. So just write 30 and put comma. Okay. Then 51,000. Okay. Here in thousands period 51 is there. So just write 51 and put comma. Okay. Then 980. In ones period 980 is there. So just write 980. Okay. So that's it. This is how you have to convert words into number or number name in numerals. Okay. So let's see the second one. 66,345,027. Okay. So here million is there. Million means that comes under international system. Okay. So just convert it into number first. Okay. So see here 66 million. In million periods 66 is there. So just write 66 and put comma. Then 345,000. In thousands period 345 is there. So just write 345 and put comma. Okay. Then 27. In ones period 27 is there. So just write 27. Okay. You may ask me why this 0 came here. Because in ones period there should be 3 digits. But here they are given 27, that is 2 digit only. That's why I put 0 in front of this number. Yes, there is no value for 0 if you are putting in front of the number. Okay, you can read it as 27 only. Okay, so that's it. Next see the third one. 789,213,456. Okay, so here million is there. Million means that comes under international system. Okay. So just convert it into number first. Okay. So here 789 million. So in million periods 789 is there. So just write 789 and put a comma. Then 213,000. In thousands period 213 is there. So just write 213 and put a comma. then 456. So in ones period 456 is there, so just write 456. Okay, so that's it. This is how you have to convert the words into numbers or number name into numerals. Okay, so that's it. So next, Tamil Nadu has about 26,345 square kilometers of forest land. Write the number mentioned in the statement in the Indian system. Okay, so here they are given one number in the words format. We have to convert that words into number. Okay, so that's a question for us. So just see here 26,000 in thousands period 26 is there. So just write 26 and put a comma. Then 345. So in ones period 345 is there. So just write 345 and square kilometer is there. So just write square kilometer. That's it. So now we converted this statement into numbers according to the Indian system. Okay. Next, the number of employees in the Indian Railway is about 10 lakh. Write this in international system of numerations. Okay. So here they are saying 10 lakh employees are working under the Indian Railways. So we have to convert this 10 lakh into international system. Okay. So here 10 lakh is in the Indian system, but we have to convert this 10 lakh into international system. Okay, for that, so first write the number of 10 lakh in the Indian system. Okay, so how can you write 10 lakh? First write 10, then lakh means there should be 5 digits of 0. So just write 5 digits of 0 with it. Okay, so this is the 10 lakh. So we have to convert this 10 lakh into the international system. Okay, for converting that, first remove the all commas from this 10 lakh. Okay, then write the places of each digit according to the international system. Okay, because we are going to convert this into the international system. Okay, so the last digit 0 is in the ones place, next is in the tens place, next hundreds, next thousands, next 10,000s, next 100,000s, next million. Okay, so now we wrote the places of each digit, then we are going to put a comma according to the periods of the international system. Okay, so we know this ones, tens, hundreds are comes under the ones period. So put a comma here. Then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s are comes under the thousands period. So put a comma here. Then 1 is there. So just write as it is. Okay. So that's it. So this is the international value of the 10 lakh. Okay. That is 1 million. Yes. As I said, if a number has 6 digits of 0 means that comes under 1 million. So this is a 1 million. So the value of 10 lakh in the Indian system is equal to the value of 1 million in the international system. Okay, so that's it. This is how we have to convert one Indian system number into the international system number. Okay, next objective type questions. Let's see the first one. 1 billion is equal to dash. Options are there. Option A 100 crore, option B 100 million, option C 100 lakh, option D 10,000 lakh. So what is the answer? 1 million is equal to 100 crore. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the successor of 10 million is dash. Options are there. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay. So successor of 10 million is dash. So write 10 million. How can you write 10 million? First write 10, then million means there should be 6 digits of 0. So then write 6 digits of 0 with it. Okay. So this is 10 million. Here they want a successor of 10 million. So just add 1 with it. So by adding it, we can get this number. So which option is having this number? Option B. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the difference between the successor and the predecessor of 9,99,999 is dash. Options are there. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay. For finding the answer, first we have to find the successor of the given number and the predecessor of the given number. Then they ask the difference between here. So we have to subtract this successor and the predecessor of that given number. Okay. So first take the successor of this given number. So successor of 9,99,999 is 10 lakh. Okay. So then the predecessor of this 9,99,999 is 9,99,998. Okay. So here they ask the difference between the successor and the predecessor. So we have to subtract these values. So 10 lakh minus 9,99,098 is equal to 2. By subtracting this we can get 2. So here 2 is there in the option C. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the expanded form of this number is dash. options are there, option A or option B or option C or option D. Okay, so first observe the comma of this given number, because we have to find this is in the Indian system or in the international system by using the commas only. Okay, so just observe the comma here. So here the comma is placed after 3 digits from backward, then every 2 digit. So if the comma is placed like this, means that comes under the Indian system. Okay, so then we have to write the places of each digit according to the Indian system. Then we have to expand this number. Okay, so we know the last digit 5 is in the ones place, next is in the tens place, next hundreds, next thousand, next 10,000, next lakh. Okay, so now we expand this number. See the first digit, that is 6, that is in the place of lakh. So just write 6 and multiply with lakh. Lakh means there should be 5 digits of 0. Okay, so see this option, which one is having 6 into 1 lakh first. So see the option A, here 6 into 10,000, that is wrong. We want 6 into 1 lakh because that is the expanded form of the first digit. Okay, so option A is wrong. Next B, 6 into 10,000, this is also wrong. We want 6 into 1 lakh in the first digit expanded form. Okay, next see the option C, here 6 into 10 lakh. So this is also wrong because we want 6 into 1 lakh because that is the expanded form of the first digit. Okay, so option C is also wrong. Next is the option D, here we are having 6 into 1 lakh. So option D is the correct answer because the first digit is in the place of lakh. So the expanded form of the first digit is 6 into 1 lakh. So from the first digit expanded form itself, we found that option D is the correct answer. Okay, so that's it. In our upcoming videos, we can see the try these sums of exercise 1.2. Okay, that's it. Subscribe to our channel Melting Math and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.